Hello guys, it's Johnny time and this is your ultimate guide about the GMX protocol and exchange. So without further ado, let's get started. In today's video, we're going to cover first what is GMX, what are the advantages of GMX. We will talk about the GMX and GLP tokens. We will see how GMX works behind the scenes, and we will talk about where the yield comes from, because you can get staking, very nice juicy staking yield on GMX and GLP, and it's always important to ask this question, where does this yield come from? Eventually, we'll talk about opportunities for both traders and investors. So let's start with the basics. GMX is a spot and perpetual exchange. It's completely decentralized protocol, which means that you don't need to sign up, log in, do KYC, and all the Web 2 things that you're familiar with. In Web 3, you just need a wallet. It could be a MetaMask, Phantom, Ledger wallet, and everything is on chain. Currently, both Avalanche and Arbitrum are supported. GMX initially was created and deployed to Avalanche, and later on it was deployed to Arbitrum. But in both chains, there are big volume and big activity. Now, basically, GMX allows you to trade tokens, to buy and sell tokens. So this is the basics about what is GMX, but it's actually way more than that. Let's find out. So as I mentioned before, it's non-custodial exchange, which means that you can directly trade using your crypto wallet, let it be Trust, MetaMask, Phantom, or Ledger. Another super cool thing about GMX is that it supports leverage trading and shorts. Leverage trading allows you to bet on the market with much bigger size and maximize your earnings without providing such a big capital. For instance, let's say you think that ETH is gonna go up in price and you have only $1,000 to bet on that. Well, if you just buy ETH and wait and it goes 100% up, then you earn $1,000, right? But what if you are super certain that ETH will go up and you want to earn more? Then you can use leverage trading with GMX. You can use, for example, 5x leverage trading. That means that if ETH goes up in price 100% and you invested $1,000, your profits are going to be way more. You're going to earn $4,000 because you did 5x leverage. But of course, it comes with some risks. If ETH goes down in price 20%, you're going to lose all your $1,000 because leverage works in both directions, whether ETH goes up or ETH goes down. Another cool thing that GMX supports are shorts. So you can borrow tokens and then short them, essentially. If you believe that ETH or BTC going to go down in price, but by the way, they support way more tokens, then you can open a short position and you can earn on the way down. So you earn from BTC going down. This is super useful also in bear markets or when there is like the market sentiment is changing and we see some decline in crypto tokens. So you can do shorts using GMX. The fees are super low compared to centralized exchanges. The website and the interface is very user-friendly. We'll see in a second how it looks like. And it's very secured, audited by top Web3 security firms. And this is how the GMX app looks like. You can see that here we have the market BTC USD and you have the chart and all the details about the market. And here on the right, you can either open long or short positions or just swap USDC to BTC. You can control your leverage over here and it tells you all the details of your trade. So that's how it works and it's all through your wallet. You don't need to open, sign up, just connect your wallet. Now let's talk about the GMX token. The GMX token is the governance token of GMX. Part of the trading fees and the platform fees that are generated through the app are being directed towards the GMX token holders. And that's why when you stake your GMX token, you get 12% APR. Now bear in mind that this APR varies between 10 to 15% mostly. Currently it stands on 12%. If you look at the last year chart of the GMX token, it's performing quite well, but I think that it's still far from its best performance in the previous cycle. Of course, when you hold a GMX token, you can influence governance decisions and propose new proposals or vote on existing proposals and decide to which direction the protocol is going. Now we have another token that's called GLP, which is Liquidity Provider Token. You can look at this token as a basket of assets, like some kind of index fund. Essentially, you can buy this token by providing liquidity to the GMX protocol. This liquidity can be in form of BTC, ETH, AVAX, or any other token supported in the trading platform. And then this token represents the basket of the liquidity of the protocol, and you can stake it and get 16% APR, which comes from the trading fees. And also when traders lose money, you kind of become the exchange, the casino, the liquidity. So that's where you get this APR from. Now, why I love this token is that when you get this token, you essentially get exposure to BTC, ETH, and a lot of stable coins as well. So you can look at it like some kind of index fund where you hold different blue chips like BTC, ETH, AVAX, SOL, ARB token, USDC, USDT, and so on. And at the same time, you generate yield on your assets. So if the market goes up, you're enjoying because this token represents also crypto assets like BTC, ETH, and SOL. And if the market goes down, you also part of this token represent USDC. So you are more hedged against downturns in the market. The cherry on top is that you also get this APR, these nice yields because of trading fees. And when traders lose money, you're the casino, you're the one that earned those fees. And by the way, if you enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos. So this is the GLP token. You can see all the assets, the basket of assets that assemble it, how much liquidity is available on ETH, Bitcoin, and so on. Now, behind the scenes, the way that the protocol works, we have the liquidity providers that they deposit different coins like ETH, BTC, stable coins to the liquidity pool, and then they receive their GLP tokens and they receive yield with these GLP tokens. And the traders come, they execute spot and perpetual trades in the exchange, which generates trading fees and goes back, distributed back to the GMX and GLP stakers. And the yield is not just some kind of Ponzi scheme, like scammy tokenomics. No, it's a real yield that comes from trading fees that traders that are using the platform. You have also funding fees when you open shorts, and when you use leverage, you borrow capital and you need to pay for this capital that you borrow. And also when you get liquidated, there is some kind of fees. So there are a lot of fees when you open, close position, hold a position, borrow money, and all these fees are being generated and go to the GMX and GLP stakers. Now that you understand what is GMX, let's share some alpha. What opportunities GMX have for both traders and investors. So for traders, you can open longs and shorts, and you can net leverage up to 50x. This is super powerful, especially that it's on-chain, decentralized, using your own custodial wallet. So this is perfect opportunity for trading. If you like to trade, definitely check it out. If you're an investor, you can get super cool staking yields for GMX and GLP. The tokenomics are quite normal. They're not fishy, not scammy, not Ponzi kind of tokenomics. GLP, if you look at its graph for long term, you can see that it performs very, very well when the market goes up and also when the market goes down, because it essentially assembles all those basket of assets and on top of that getting the yields of the platform. So that's a great investment opportunity in my opinion. Of course, nothing in this video is a financial advice. I'm just sharing my knowledge and experience. I'm not a financial advisor. And the best opportunity for investors are actually delta neutral strategies. But this is subject for another video. It's a super cool subject that can allow you generate up to 100% APY and APR on your stablecoins, on US dollars. Yes, 100% APY, 5% a month, 6% a month, not a year, not those yields that you get in the bank, way, way more in a quite safe manner. But this is a content for another video, and if you want to get notified once it's published, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification button. I will show you my complete strategy, how I use delta neutral strategies in GMX to generate those crazy yields on stablecoins. And before we go, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you're gonna start using GMX, don't just go and start using it, but use my referral code, because when you use my code, you get automatically a discount on your fees and also rebates. So don't just use it just like that, just go to the referrals tab. It looks like that. So you go to GMX, you go to referrals, and then you put here joining time as the referral code, submit, connect your wallet, and then you're gonna enjoy those discounts and at the same time support me as a content creator and help me generate more valuable content just like this video that you are watching right now. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.